It's 12:17 a.m. Your phone says unknown. You pick up. A uniformed officer is on the line, and they need to talk about your partner. Your heart drops. If that has ever happened to you, stay with me for 10 minutes. Let's chat.
In the next 10 minutes, I want you to leave with a short, usable playbook. The first things to do in the first hour, what paperwork to grab, how temporary court orders can affect parenting time, and quick scripts to keep kids calm and routines intact. I'm giving general information, not legal advice. If you or your children are in immediate danger, call emergency services now. Quick legal reality, straight up. An arrest alone doesn't automatically change legal custody. But in the short term, a judge can sign emergency orders, protective orders, temporary custody orders that change who has contact with the children. Those orders are powerful and often temporary. So what you do in the next hour can shape the situation at an emergency hearing. Listen closely. First hour checklist. Say it with me. Quick, direct, practical. First hour, safety. Make sure everyone is out of immediate danger. If you need to leave, go somewhere safe. Second, kids with someone safe, a family member, close friend, or neighbor who can stay with them while you handle next steps. Third, photos and timestamps. Photograph injuries, damage, or any relevant scene. Use your phone camera so timestamps are embedded. If you can, screenshot any related messages or alerts. These images matter later. Fourth, call someone who can help right now. A trusted adult, your children's school if pickup is affected, and then legal help, either your lawyer or local legal aid. Don't wait until morning if a court order might be filed tonight. Okay, you did that. What's next? Gather a short documents bag. IDs, birth certificates if you have them, any existing custody or court orders, medication lists for the kids, your children's school contact cards, and any recent medical records. If you don't have originals, photos or PDFs on your phone are useful too. Make a dated timeline. 2 or 3 lines on your phone is fine. What happened and when, who saw it, where you were. Save text messages and voicemails with screenshots. If you talk to police, write down the officer's name and a report number. Small details add up in court. But what about Saturday? That's the question I hear all the time. How do you hold on to the weekend rituals when everything else is upended? Keep the ritual. Small, repeatable things matter. The same seat for the little one, the same pancakes, the same playlist before the game. Those anchors, even a familiar snack, tell kids some things are the same. If you need help keeping the ritual, invite a trusted relative or friend to help run it. How to talk to kids by age. For toddlers, one short sentence. You're safe with me. We're going to read your book. For school-aged kids, be honest without detail. Things are complicated right now. I will tell you what you need to know. For teens, answer questions directly, but don't overload them with adult conflict. Protect their sense of normal. A concrete line you can use with a school or daycare. This is your name, parent of child's name. Due to an emergency, I am authorizing trusted adult's name to pick up today. Case number, if available. Keep it short and factual. That helps staff act quickly and legally. If a restraining order is filed, the court can issue a temporary order without the other side present. That can restrict contact and sometimes living arrangements or parenting time. But there's usually a follow-up hearing where both sides present evidence. Show up to that second hearing prepared. Timeline, witnesses, school schedules, and clear plans for the kids' care. A short script for speaking with a clerk or judge. I'm asking the court to consider the children's routine and safety. I have a timeline, school contacts, and witnesses who can testify about care arrangements. Focus on stability. Judges want concrete plans. Communication with the other parent or a new partner. Set firm boundaries. Use neutral, single-purpose messages. For the kids, pickup is 10 a.m. Saturday at school. I will text when I'm 5 minutes away. Do not trade accusations over text. Those messages can be used in court. If trust needs to be rebuilt later, do it slowly. in person, or through a mediator or parenting coordinator. If emotions are very high, get professional help rather than trying to negotiate settlement details over email. Quick logistics to check before you hang up. Update authorized pickups at school. Bring copies of any temporary order to daycare. Ask your attorney about short-term child support if finances are affected. And keep a copy of all filings in your phone and a paper folder. A final note on evidence. Screenshots are fine, but preserve originals when you can. If a photo is critical, take it and then email it to yourself so there's a secure copy with a time-stamped header. Small tech steps make a difference.
Before we close, the emotional part matters. After an emergency, carve space for a predictable wind down. Play a calm R&B track after the kids are in bed. Put on the same halftime snack playlist. Those tiny rituals help everyone move from crisis back toward routine. Consistency is healing.
If you need legal help, contact a licensed attorney, your county family court clerk for procedural questions, or local legal aid. If you're in immediate danger, call emergency services. If you're struggling emotionally, reach out to a crisis line or a mental health professional. Short recap. Safety first. Document everything. Call legal help. Protect routines for the kids, and keep communication about the children factual and calm. Temporary court actions are not the same as final custody decisions. You can respond and prepare. If you want help thinking through next steps, email Danielle at thelegalassistancecenter.net to schedule a free 30-minute consultation. If this episode helped, subscribe to Danny's Den, Practical Legal Steps, every week. Now, cue a warm R&B track, make your halftime snack, and let that small ritual do its work. Thanks for being here. Let's chat.